Think boosting your speed means endless runs? Think again. Here's the scoop. You can amp up your running speed without ever hitting the track. How? By focusing on strength and mobility. First, let's talk strength training. Stronger muscles mean more power in every stride. Think squats, lunges, and deadlifts. These moves target your legs and glutes, giving you a serious speed boost. Next up, plyometrics. These explosive exercises like jump squats and box jumps help improve your power and speed, plus they're super fun. Don't forget about core strength. A strong core keeps you stable and efficient. Try planks and Russian twists. You'll be amazed at the difference. Mobility is key too. Flexible muscles move better and faster. Stretch regularly and incorporate yoga or dynamic stretches into your routine. And here's a pro tip. Work on your form. Proper running form can make a huge difference. Shorter strides and a quick turnover rate can help you run faster with less effort. So there you have it. Boost your speed without even lacing up your running shoes. Strength, plyometrics, core, and mobility. Give it a try and watch your speed soar. Remember, it's not just about running more, it's about training smarter. Happy running, everyone.